New tonight at 6 o'clock, Alabama's prison system continues to be under the microscope of a federal judge. A hearing this week concerning a staffing violation has now come to a halt. State Capitol Bureau reporter Rashad Hudson is following this story tonight.
The Southern Poverty Law Center is asking a federal judge to hold the Alabama Department of Corrections in contempt for failing to agree with some staffing orders. But the DOC says they're working to fix the problem. Currently, there's just over 25,000 people in Alabama's prison system. But the question before a federal judge, is there adequate staffing for these inmates? Maria Morris is one of the leading attorneys with the SPLC working on this case.
Alabama has been systematically underfunding its prison system for decades.
Governor Ivey says they're working to fix it.
With working with the legislature, we already set aside a bunch of money to hire additional correctional officers and more medical officers and to enlarge the medical health contract.
Last year, federal judge Myron Thompson ruled Alabama's DOC mental health care violated inmates' constitutional rights. In February, Thompson issued an order for the DOC to meet certain mental health staffing levels by July, but the deadline was never met.
This is their timeline. It's not the judge's. The judge made their timeline an order, but the judge didn't make up the dates.
Last month, we spotted the DOC at a job fair in Montgomery. This was our conversation with Corrections Commissioner Dunn back in April.
We're trying to blanket the state to draw as many potential applicants into the DOC as we can.
The SPLC says they just want an outside monitor appointed.
Make sure that they were doing all that they could and keep the court and the plaintiffs informed as to progress being made.
The SPLC is hoping to get a December hearing moved up earlier, and we're waiting to hear back from the Department of Corrections. Reporting in Montgomery, Rashad Hudson, WKRG News 5.